those of you who are in the market for a big jetter, mid-range jetter, I like to make videos and show people what we're making. Just getting ready to roll out. This is another custom unit that we've made here. If you find a truck, cargo van, we can make a slide-in package that's second to none. We do a lot of them, whether you want a big diesel or a smaller slide-in package, let us know. I put on one of these cool HotJet jackets to tempt you. So if you spend 150 grand with us, we'll get you a jacket or a mug, right? That's the idea, right? So let's go through this. We got a 4D, 450, whatever brand of truck you got. This has got the big box on it. It's a 14-footer. Is this 16, Freddie?
Yeah, that's 16, sir.
16, got the big box. These guys are full service plumbers. I think this is number 4.
Okay.
4 unit we built for them. All the controls are in the back. And what you'll notice is this one's our fuel injected engine up front. This one's 12 gallon a minute, 4,000 PSI. Hits that sweet spot right in the middle. 18 gallons at 4,000 is great and all that good. And we build a 20 at 4, the Yanmar. But water, you got to think about how long your water's going to last. So this is great for medium and small size commercial jobs and any residential. Too much water, you got flooding. So you got micro control on the output. You got your remote controls both for the cold water and for the heat. And this unit's got all the excuse me, latest digitized heat, hour meter, lights. That's going to kick on. That'll be kind of bright. That woke me up. I only done a couple cups of coffee today, and I'm on it. Renee's building a premium hose reel for us. It's got the guide arm. I like it a lot better than Lazy Susan. You got hydraulics bringing it in. You got on-off valves here, easy start valve. That's an easy start position. That reels off. Antifreeze tank up above. I'm gonna turn that off so I don't bump it. You got your wash down reel for sanitizing, cleanups, whatever. Garden hose fill. The beauty of this rig, look how much room you got. I'm getting old. I must be able to just jump up. Look at that. Where you can put shelves. You got all kinds of room up here. Look how much room you got up front. You come on up. Come on in, Freddie.
Okay.
These are our homemade videos, man.
Okay.
Okay, exhaust going up and out the roof. You got your full panel up here. Diesel fuel, gas. Now we can cut holes in the sides of these box fans as well if you want. We've done just my favorite word last week, shit ton. I've done a shit ton of these. We love it, we're good at it. We've been doing it a long time. And we'll treat you right. You know, as they say in the Midwest, we'll cheat you right, but we try to treat everyone best we can. Our quality speaks for itself. We're the industrial grade guys. I think everything else is kind of built to fail. Industrial grade, you can work on it. It's going to outlast anything on the market. So give us a call anytime. Love to build a unit for you. If you're serious about it, this is a real serious rig, and that's why I want to take a minute and go through it. Thank you.